Yeah! How is everybody doing on this beautiful day in England? Today we're going to be checking the time. It's time to get a watch. We are going to be showing you in this video how I edit my videos, and if you don't understand what videos I'm talking about, then here's a little idea of what I do. Okay, boom! So that's right, I make these videos that get absolutely loads of views for no reason, don't know why they get views, and I'm going to be showing you how I edit them and make them in today's video. So you better stay tuned, because today we'll be going through how to make a viral video basically. And any of you can make them. It's really easy. First thing you want to do is you want to get an Apple Mac. I've got an Apple MacBook Pro. Costs about 2.5 grand. Something you will also need for this is something that not a lot of people have actually, and that's an iPhone 11. Yeah, that costs about a grand. So overall, to make my videos, you need about 4 grand. Let's get straight into this. So I should be in the top corner of your screen right now, so look down there. Photoshop. Not just Photoshop, we have got the internet, Chrome to be precise. The first part about making my videos is coming up with the idea. So I came up with a brilliant idea to make a video about KSI. You all know him, UK YouTuber. One of the biggest ones in the world. So today I'm going to be making one of my viral videos on KSI. Yeah. The first thing I'm going to do is I've got my template here, and I'll show you a bit more about that template right now. So I've got the bob head all saved as a preset. Basically this is just to help me edit my videos with a bit more ease. The first thing I want to do is I want to write the subject's name onto the Photoshop. So I'd be like, for example, KSI. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a Google Chrome new tab. I'm going to type in KSI PNG, right? So that will mean that the background is transparent. So I have indeed found one right here. KSI shiny big head. I'm going to copy and then Command V to paste the image into the Photoshop file. So now we have KSI's bald shiny head in the Photoshop file. So that is the first image complete. All we have to do now is go to File, save as KSI1, Photoshop, save as a JPEG, and then press enter and enter again. Moving on to number 2, I have to find something that rhymes with KSI. So the way I do that is I go to rhyme zone. What rhymes with KSI? Sky. Nice and easy. So we're going to type in sky into the word rhyme zone website, and we're going to see what it comes up with. Boom! Instantly we have 100 words that rhyme with KSI, which stands for knowledge, strength and integrity. Some may say it stands for koala self-integration. So now all we have to do is find something that rhymes with KSI. I found cry. So I'm going to put KSI having a cry, because that rhymes. Now all we have to do is make some tears for KSI. So we'll type in tears, PNG. Lovely. Look at these tears. Very realistic. This one will do. Make sure the tears are in front of the KSI layer. We're going to press W, which is the magic wand tool, and then we are going to press the background and press backspace. That will then get us these tears and make it so we can put them on KSI's face, because he's a little crybaby. Sorry KSI, if you actually are watching this, I actually love your content. It's really nice. I like it a lot. I'll speed this up. Save it as a JPEG and KSI2. Save. So now onto the third idea. I'll get a bit creative with this one. I look through rhyme zone to try find a word. So for the third one, I think I'm going to go with pie, because pie rhymes with KSI and cry, and that means if I put KSI as a pie having a cry, or KSI having a cry as a pie, then technically that will rhyme. Yes, that was complicated, but I think we all got it. So we're going to search pie PNG. We've got some lovely pies here. So we have found this delicious pie that suits KSI. We're going to drag the pie onto the Photoshop file. We're going to press W, same again, we're going to press backspace, and now we have a pie. You might be wondering, how are you going to make KSI as a pie? Well, let me show you right now. There are lots of ways that you can actually do this yourself, so you don't have to follow my way. Be creative with it, do whatever you want. So I'm going to add a layer mask to the pie. Then I'm going to grab the brush tool on the left hand side of the screen. Make sure the brush size is, pretty decently big, like not that big, but big enough to cover KSI's head. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to try cut out KSI's body where you want the pie to show. Now all we do is we cut out the pie that has KSI's face on, like this. It's hard to explain, but like, yeah. KSI has a pie. The last thing we have to do to complete the third picture is just put KSI having a cry and then add the words in it as a pie. Yeah, that's it. And by now you should know how to save it. Moving on to number 4. So for picture number 4, who better to add than PewDiePie himself? PewDiePie rhymes with KSI and cry and pie, so technically it's the perfect fit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this image of PewDiePie, drag it over, press W, remove the background, lovely. Once I've removed the background, then I'm going to place him probably, I don't know, about there. That's probably pretty good. Going to put him below the KSI layer, so he is behind KSI. Going to move both images to the center of the screen. Lovely. And then I'm going to add KSI having a cry as a pie with PewDiePie. Now that's done, I'm going to press File, Save As, and you already know the drill. Moving on to number 5. So with only 2 more to go, I have to think big for number 5. Because after the number 5 one, it is the KSI Bob. So for number 5, I've got to go for Dubai. So I'm going to get a picture of Dubai, drag it on, thanks to my friend Dom, who helped me with the idea. We're going to place this right here, so it doesn't fill the screen. There's a little bit of white on the sides. We're going to select both the KSI image and the PewDiePie image, and we're going to make them a little bit smaller so they do fit onto the beach, just about there. And then we are going to edit the text to say, with PewDiePie in Dubai with a capital letter, because Dubai is a place. And there we go. Number 5's complete. What do you guys think? I hope you love it. Moving on to number 6. So number 6 is kind of the best part about the video making, because we get to experiment with SpongeBob and the character who we've chosen. So for example, today we have KSI. So I'm going to type in KSI Bob in the text, and then we're going to basically copy and paste KSI's head into the picture. So now I'm going to explain to you why I have all these images of SpongeBob already saved. And that is for ease, as I said. So all I have to do is unselect that, and now we have SpongeBob's body ready to put on top of KSI, and it actually looks pretty good. I'm going to select KSI and horizontal flip him so he's facing that way. Make him a bit more vertical like that, and there we go. Basically have KSI Bob and add it onto KSI. So there we have it. KSI Bob. So it obviously is another day right now, but the next part we're going to need headphones and an iPhone. Now what I've got to do is record the video, so I'm going to plug my earphones into my phone. I have all the images saved on my phone. I'm going to make the video length 60 seconds. KSI! KSI Bob! So once we've done that, then we just, I guess, put KSI at KSI, should we do that? Now all we have to do is wait for KSI to see it, I guess. That is so good. It's been a week. It literally has been a week. I've been trying to get KSI to see my video. Not working. So I thought I'd just tell you the stats on the video that I posted onto my TikTok. It got overall 350,000 views, which is amazing, right? The likes was like 50,000 likes, and bro, people loved it, right? The comments were amazing, right? But KSI still didn't see it. There's only one more thing to do, and that is try get in contact with him, but I really can't be asked. So I'm going to end the video there. I hope you guys did enjoy. Hopefully in the future, we'll try get KSI to look at our stuff again, and then we'll see what happens. But we just got to grow bigger. Don't forget to subscribe. I want to get myself to 10,000 subs by the end of this week. So we're trying hard, getting some videos out there. My name's Josh, guys. I hope you have the best day ever. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched all the way to this far in the video, bro, I appreciate you so much. And yeah, just screenshot if you have. I will see you guys in the next one. Have the best evening, and bye.